everyone, welcome to my channel. Who doesn't like gold and luxury? So today I am going to paint this beautiful gold leaf art. I am doing this on a cardboard, but you can do it on a canvas or on a thick sheet of paper also. All you need is a base. In this case it's a cardboard, black paint, golden paint, gold leaf, gilding glue. This is a special glue used to gild gold leaf. I will put the links in description, and a black marker. So let's get started. I start by painting my background completely with black acrylic paint. Then I take a little bit of golden color in my flat brush and I draw the pattern of a leaf. I have chosen a very simple leaf pattern. There are many complicated ones which you can choose based on your choice. Then this is pearl golden acrylic paint. After this is done, I will leave it to dry, and once it is dry, I will use gilding glue. This is a special glue available for gold leaf gilding. Many people use Fevicol or Mod Podge, but that has never worked for me successfully. I'll leave the link in description if you like. Then I put very carefully the edges because I don't want my gold leaf to go here and there. Now cover the entire leaf with the gilding glue. After I have applied my glue, I will take the gold leaf and start sticking onto it. I forgot to record the complete process, but you can see this is how it looks, and it sticks on your hands, so you can use tissue paper or butter paper to stick it properly. Then I leave it to dry for at least 20 minutes. Do not rush this process, otherwise the leaf will still be wet and it will come out in your brush. After 20 minutes, you think it's dry, take any brush and start scraping the non-gilded leaf out of it. See how I am doing it. It has turned out pretty well. Now there are spaces where there is extra gold leaf that are stuck. I'll cover it in black paint. I'll also take a little paint and start making the edges of this leaf so that it looks more aesthetic and real by doing little dots and little curves here and there. Now I will take my brush, fill black paint and start drawing the veins of these leaves. You don't need to be accurate, just go with the flow. Now I will take my black marker and I will start drawing the intricate details inside the veins of this leaf. You don't need to be accurate, just go with the flow. Due to the shiny reflection, if it's not very visible, I'm zooming in and showing you how I'm drawing these veins. It's a bit time consuming, but just hang on, it'll get over in no time. A touch up on the stem and it's ready. Tell me in comments if you like this.